Hey everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. Today is Saturday and it is giveaway day. Thank you all again for all those who participated. I know that for some the gloves weren't quite enough to participate, but that is all right. There's got quite a few folks that still did and got the correct answer. All you had to do is basically, I wasn't going to give you all the answer, but basically all you had to do was click the link in the description of that video, and it gave you the chain that I had for that pole and chainsaw, and it was 62 drive links. So those that chose 62 are entered into this giveaway, which we're going to go ahead and do right now. Again, thank you to HiPA for sending me the chain as well as the shirt, the hat, and the gloves. And for 5 of y'all, there's only 11 that have the correct answer in the comments section. For 5 of y'all, there will be some gloves coming your way from HiPA. I'll submit these names to Colin over at HiPA. He will be coordinating that for y'all, so it's probably going to be a couple weeks before they come, but I hope y'all enjoy them. Let's go ahead and let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to spin some wheels here and roll on with it. So here we go. Here's our 11 names that made it. If you see your name on the list, that means you got the correct answer, and that means you're going to be part of this drawing. 5 of them. Here we go. Let me spin the wheel. Woo! All right, first winner. Looks like it's going to be Jeremiah Hare. All right, Jeremiah, if you could send me your information via Instagram, Facebook, my handle is at EllisMowers09, or Ellis@EllisMowers.com. And just give me your shipping information. I'll pass that along to Colin at HiPA, and we'll get your gloves sent to you. Let's do number 2. Probably one of my most loyal commenters on the channel, D. Butler. You won some gloves, my man. Send me your shipping information. We'll get that sent off. Get those gloves sent off to you. All right, number 3. Ooh, just crept over into Greg Kane. Greg, go ahead and send me your information. We'll get some gloves sent to you. 2 more, here we go. Is it Carlos? Yeah, it's going to be Carlos. Carlos Sojo. Send me your information. We'll get some gloves sent to you. And last but not least, here we go. D. Fields, you won some gloves as well, ma'am. Thanks for commenting on almost all my videos. I appreciate all the support from all of y'all participating. So those are our 5 names. If you saw your name right there, that means you won some gloves. Send your information to me. I'll forward that off to Colin at HiPA, and we will get those gloves sent your way. I think they may be coming on the boat, if you know what I mean. So it might be a couple weeks to a month before they get to you. But I appreciate y'all just taking the time. Again, I'd try to make my giveaways to where you actually have to put a little bit of effort into getting an item, as opposed to just commenting just randomly. And y'all put forth the effort. I appreciate it. And thank you all to Warren, William, Robert, Roadrunner M, Rich, and Brian for also participating. Sorry we didn't get you on this one. There are probably more giveaways coming up on the channel. Keep participating, and you might come home with something here at some point. Thank you all again for watching. Thank you again, HiPA, for providing me with these gloves for the giveaway. And we'll get those 5 pairs sent out to the 5 respective winners. And I appreciate it as always. Just send me your information. Again, if you won, EllisMowers09 on Instagram and Facebook, if you want to message me there, or if you want to email me, Ellis@EllisMowers.com. I have to have the shipping information in order to get them sent off to you, so that I can forward that to the guys at HiPA. Thank you all again. If for some reason somebody doesn't reach out to me, I will look at the remaining people who did not win, and the first person who did not win, who commented with the correct answer, will be the next in line to get gloves. Okay, and if that happens, I'll put a shorts here on the channel calling this person, or if I have your direct message on Facebook, I'll just reach out to you there. All right. Thank y'all again. We'll get these 5 pairs of gloves sent out here in the coming week or so. Just get back to me by next weekend, and we'll get that ball rolling again. Thank y'all again for participating. Appreciate it as always, and I will catch y'all on the next video. See you then.